Alrighty guys, today we'll be making some sushi bake. Right here I got 3 cups of rice, some cream cheese, some nori, green onions. I also have rice vinegar and some Japanese mayo. We also got some imitation crab. We got 4 packs and sriracha. Right now I'll be mixing the rice vinegar into the rice, about 6 tablespoons, and Treese will be shredding the crab, the imitation crab. So we didn't use all the packs of the crab. We only used 2 packs, so that came out to about a pound. And then right now we're just using 1 whole pack of the cream cheese. We're just making it our own. The recipe, it called for less than this, but we decided to put the whole thing. Now we are shredding and mixing the mixture. It has 1 cup of mayo, and she added 1 cup of mayo, and then now she's shredding it with the cream cheese and the imitation crab. So right here I got about 6 teaspoons of Hawaiian salt. You can use whatever salt you want, but that's the one we chose. And I think you should add the salt to taste, because to me it was a little bit salty. And right here we put some sugar inside as well. You do that to taste as well, but it was about 2 tablespoons maybe. We also added some green onions inside the mixture. And now we'll be putting the rice into the pan. We'll be flattening the rice. Next step, we will be adding some nori on top of the rice. Now we are layering the crab mixture on top of the rice and the nori. And right here we'll be drizzling the mayo and the sriracha on top. And I think that you could possibly bake it first and then drizzle it if you want to do it that way as well. So I would just suggest baking it for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then maybe doing the broil for 10 minutes and then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and it was so delicious. You guys take care. God bless. See you all next time.